Water, what did he call this one? Brake something. See, the name is Mazda pa talaga. No, the name of this that's causing the brake problem. Mazda but made in China. Ito yung re-replace natin, guys. Aston Martin. This one is Melts. Pizza Hut Melts. Laki niya. Today, 28th of Feb 2026, 4:15 ng hapon. Actually, 3:30 tumawag yung Tufan. At sabi nila na hindi pa daw nare-receive yung important na water master brake something na galing pa from the dealer kasi as of 1 o'clock mayroon pong kaguluhang nangyayari at nadadamay ang bansang UAE at malapit po kami sa Dubai Airport. So, may conflict na nangyayari ngayon. Imagine mo na lang kung nagbakasyon ako at pumunta somewhere. Buti na lang, di natuloy. Hi, good afternoon. Today is March 1st, 2026. Kita sana kami ng gabi, but then ayun, ang dami nangyari. So imagine I'm supposed to travel. It's my original plan to travel on 28th of February back to the Philippines for a few weeks kasi naka-leave ako. But then ayan, it's not meant. Wait lang, mag-cross lang tayo. Ayan. Balik na ulit yung mga tao sa paglalakad. Thank you Lord God. Thank you Lord God. Sana magkaroon na ng peace sa Middle East and the world and the rest of the world. Okay, so ano ba nangyari? Kasi I'm supposed to go for testing. Kailangan clean, check up yung tires, pa-check up yung engine. Tapos may nakita si kuya sa engine. So ito ang una ko napuntahan, si Tufan. At then may papalitan lang sana dun sa ano ng oil, pag-check ng oil, yung lid niya pinalitan nila 75 dirhams hanggang yun na nga sa brake part. Master brake yung pinalitan, which was around 1,000 dirhams. So yung breakdown ko kanina, actually 10 PM tumawag na si Tufan kasi 24 hours nga sila kagabi. I said I cannot make it. Then 10:30 ayun na, may emergency alert SMS na napakalakas. 2 beses yun tumunog. At yun na nga, hindi ako nakatulog until 2 AM. Then I woke up 6 AM. So yun, tumawag ulit kanina kung pwede ko na daw bang kunin kasi nasa labas na siya ng Tufan. So si Lablab din, akala niya yung service check niya na 150. Dito yun eh, ayun no, ito sa kanya. Yun siya, fine look. Si Tufan, ayan si Tufan, di ba, magkapit bahay lang. So akala niya yung 150 okay lang, pero nung binigyan na siya ng bill this morning, 4,200 besh. Ako 2,000. O di ba? Tapos ito na dapat ang testing ko siguro tomorrow. Sabi ni Ali, may kakilala daw siya dyan, but I don't think that should work. Yan. So close siya every Sunday. So tomorrow, hopefully Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, everything will be fine and will resume to normal activities na because grabe, UAE is my second home and I felt like this is the safest country in the world, diba? So ayun, sana po maging okay na lahat. So remote work ang private and public sectors na tomorrow, and they will still gonna observe. So today, pumunta na ako, sabi ko 5 to 6 PM kasi para ko na ring anak si Chase. He's my firstborn. So, kailangan ko na rin siyang kunin. Kumbaga, parang na-hospital siya and I have to get him back. Nasa labas na nga siya, besh. Kinakabahan ako sa damage na babayaran ko. Sa tong vehicle testing center, sarado siya every Sunday. Supposed to come here to book para matapos na sana lahat in one day. But, things happen for a reason. Grabe. Smooth na yung brake, tuloy-tuloy na yung brake. Ito talaga yung sinasabi ni Lablab noon pa eh. Okay na siya. Okay na. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay. I got my Lablab back. And nagpanic bigla sa aircon. Okay. Try the brake. Okay na daw yung brake. Very good. All is well that ends well. Thank you, Lord God, for everything. Hi, good morning. It's Ramadan day 14 and day 4 of regional tension. We are always grateful for UAE government for doing their best. At grabe. Ang head pala ng Ministry of Defense ay si Sheikh Hamdan. Ay, maraming salamat po and we are all safe. We trust the UAE government. Kinakabahan ako actually lumabas but I had to do few errands today. Especially yung vehicle testing ni Chase has been canceled twice. So today, scheduled na siya at 11. We're gonna head first for washing kung saan pumunta si Lablab last Saturday. Kasi mas mura siya, tsaka okay din daw ang ano. Tsaka malapit lang kasi din doon ang testing. Pinili ko yung malapit lang sa bahay. And umiiwas muna ako, besh, sa mga balibalita. Kasi, ewan ko ba, medyo nakaka-anxiety. And my focus now is to edit my Australia vacation vlogs. So, ang dami nun. Tsaka ang dami ding weekend vlogs ng UAE. So, watch out for that. Nakabahan ako para sa anak ko. Anak! Ang anak ko ay pupunta sa exam today. Actually, napakadaling mag-renew dito eh. Basta matapos mo na hanggang dulo, which is insurance. I'm still requesting a discount for my renewal. Motor insurance renewal. Here, vehicle testing center for renewal. Okay, it's done already. Natapos na. Ewan ko ba, since time na ever since lumabas ako ng bahay, kinakabahan ako, besh. Hindi ko alam kung sa paligid or sa testing itself. So, nalate ako ng 10 minutes pero it won't matter ata as long as ko alam, parang hindi nila tinignan yung schedule mo pero nagbigay ng token. 11:10 nagbigay ng token. Tapos pagpasok sa loob, bayad na agad. Tapos so from 11:10 to 11:27, yun, naka-receive na ako agad ng SMS na pass. In fairness, kinakabahan ako, besh. Tapos after that, pupunta ka lang ulit sa link, then you have to go to the next step na gagawin mo. Napakabilis lang din pala dito at napakalapit sa bahay kung bakit doon pa ako sa malayo last time. So, ito siya. Your vehicle inspection is completed and the result is pass. Kindly click the following link. So, yung link na yon is going to ask you kung na-receive mo na yung keys back. So, less than 5 minutes, nabigay na agad yung susi at nandito lang ako sa tapat. Okay. Pasyal muna tayo sa tingnan muna natin ang paligid. Okay. I think yung comment niya, last time sabi niya may mga scratches. So bakit ngayon?
Turn right on 20th Street.
Walang scratches na comment, pero parang I need to do the wheel balancing and alignment. I-double check ko lang kasi hindi ko nakita kung paano paglinis nila kanina. Kasi girl, from 120 na full automatic wash, 58 lang yung recommendation nila vlog. So, okay naman. Dati pinapakita sa akin engine, pero kanina, I just followed my guts. Mukhang malinis naman. Nandito ako sa loob ng Dera City Center. 12:30. Ano, normal naman na. Naghahanap ako ng offer sa Life Pharmacy. I need my vitamins. Normal na ang operation. Actually, Ramadan kasi. Ramadan timings. So, fairness, normal na ang dagsa ng tao kasi weekdays naman siya. Parang iba yung nakukuha. Philippines. Ate? This one is not scanning? Or it has...
Сигарет? Сигарет.
Plastic. Uy, what's that? Oh, majinit na girl. My car is 28 degrees. And my phone, it is 32 degrees outside. Let's have a break first. Diba? May 54 UAE pa siya. Masarap mag self-checkout sa supermarket, diba? You have to be independent. Sa Australia, ganun na eh. I'm not sure if I took a video of that. Independent na sila. Pati sa pag-fill-in ng gas. Dito meron pa nag-fill-in ng gas. I'm proud to call this my second home. Love it here, especially Dubai. My home for 16 years. Emirates. That is where my first CC worked for 16 years.
Turn right on Al Mutina Street. Meters. Exit right to Verana Street.
Don't you worry, I got you, girl. Dalawa pong cheese manakish.
Kape lang sa akin yun.
Anong kape?
Yung mura lang na kape.
Isang chai.
Ay, dalawa pong cheese manakis, isang chai, isa pong kape latte.
Good morning ka muna dyan ate.
Good morning!
Sarap, init. Hi, it's midday. Today is Ramadan Day 23 and Regional Conflicts Day 13. Dito na ako, pero bawal maglitrato. It's my first time. Natapos na, guys. Yes, natapos na. Na-print ko na siya. Ay, parang ang ginit. I got it. I so got it. Here. I love it. Thank you, love. Ikaw nag-remind sa akin. And wala, maaga pa. Hindi natuloy ang shopping natin kasi kailangan ko itong ma-print. Tapos sinatawanan ako nung ni Kuyang Guard. Sabi ko nga, maybe because I have time. Kaya, and I was not working on weekdays. Kaya na-print ko siya agad. Do uso naman na dito ang electronics po. You can have a copy in your RTA app. Wala lang. I'm a collector of identification cards na may pangalan ko. Most especially kapag may picture ko. Since I passed the nursing licensure exam sa Pilipinas. Collector na ako ng mga ID cards. I have it already renewed. Especially ang aking PRC license. Kompleto ako niyan. Pero expired na siya ng 2025. Now, I have this new one. Another one for the books. I'm heading home. Oh. See you later.